Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a topic which is called by data handling. Data handling. Handling. Okay. You have already learned about pictograph and bar graph in class 4. So here, so before that, before going to start the chapter, I recall something. Recall some definition. Recall data. What is data? What is the meaning of data? So, what is the meaning of data? The collection of information in the form of numerical figure. So, data is the collection of information, information, information. Data is a collection of information in the form form of numerical figure. in the in the form of numerical figure is called data. Data. Okay. Okay. One note. Data can be this example of data. Uh, okay. If we collect example, um, the the pages of five different books, five different books are 252, 350, 157, 200, 270. Okay, so these are the collection of information in the form of numerical figure. 200 numerical, that means value. So these types of collection is called data, and data can be represent by pictograph, graph, bar graph, and pie chart. Pie chart. Okay. So today I will cover pictograph and bar graph, and based on these two topics, your self practice 19A is given in your book. Okay. Okay. So we revise the same thing with the help of an example. Okay. So for that we need one collection of data. Okay. I take one example. Example first. The number of student students of class 5 class 5 class 5 class 5 who who attend attend the school school during a week is given given below okay. So here days, here number of students. Okay. one is one row for days, another is for number of students. So day Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, and Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. So, so draw a tally chart. Okay. Draw a tally chart, pictograph, pictograph, graph, and a bar graph, bar graph. Okay. So I will cover all three types in one example. Okay. So tally chart, that means we need to write the values in tally by tally. So it is 20, 15, 25, 15, 20. Okay. Make it 30, 30, 20. So first one, solution. We have already learned tally chart, pictograph, bar graph in previous class also. I revise this thing once again, and based on this thing, your self practice 19A is given. If you understand the process of these three process, then it is very easier to solve the problem. So without skip the video, watch it very nicely. Okay. So solution. So tally chart, that means we represent. Okay. We represent it by tally. So for tally chart, we need to row days, and here tally. So day Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. Oh, here I have not written Wednesday. Okay. So okay, as per our school, there is no class on Wednesday previously. So Wednesday is off day. So Tuesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Saturday. Okay. So tally chart, that means in previous class we learned one is small horizontal vertical line, that means the value is 1. 2, 3, 4. After 4, if we join all line by one slanting line, then it is 5. The meaning of this is 5. Okay. So if anyone don't know the numeral values by seeing the tally 1, 2, 3, 4 and slanting, that means 1, 5. So by seeing the tally, he or she can give the answer. Okay, that's why we using tally chart. So first value in Monday 20. 20, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 and slanting line 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 represented by these types of tally. Okay. Okay, you can write here also number of students. Number of students. Student. Okay. So here it's represent 20. Okay. Next one 15. Similar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of students 15. Because this one represent 5. So 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15. Okay. So next one 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. So number of students 25. Next, the value is 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30. And in Saturday there is 20. There are 20 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. So here 30 students, here 20 students. So these types of representation is called tally. Okay, tally chart. So this one called tally chart. Very easy, very easy, and you need to draw the lines divided by using ruler or scale, then it look good. Okay, so when you are solving the problem, so use scale. Okay, next one is pictograph. So tally chart complete. Next one is pictograph. 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 Pictograph, that means we represent the data. We represent the data by picture. Okay. So by picture. So we represent 20 students by picture. Pictograph. That means by we will represent 20 by picture. So let's start. Oh, for that first we set one picture by which we represent the students, number of students. So let us take. So first you need to define. Let us take this symbol. These types of one symbol equal to one. These types of symbol equal to 5 students. Okay. These types of one is symbol equal to 5 students. Okay. So one symbol, that means 5 students. So we define 5 students by picture, by one picture. That's why this called pictograph. Okay. So at the first we need to define this line, or you can take in this way also. This one equal to 5, or you take another picture also. The picture you can take anything. It is your way. Okay. When the number of card is given, then you can take the picture in this way. Okay. In this way. In this way. Okay. This one equal to 5 cards. So picture, it is depend on you which type of picture you will take. Okay. So draw the tally now, pictograph now. So again similar. Similar. Okay. Here Dave. Okay. Here Dave, and another part is pictographer. Pictograph. Graph. So here days and here pictograph. So days similar: Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is not there. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. So now we need to define 20 by picture. Okay. So if we draw one picture, this type of picture, so it represent one. So if we draw two picture of five, if we draw two picture, then 5 5 20, 5 5 10. If we draw three picture, then 15. If we draw four picture, then it is 20. Okay. So we represent this 20 by picture only. That's why it's called pictograph. So 5, one picture, that means 5, 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. Next one 15 student. That means so 5 5 5 15. Okay. So for Thursday we need to draw 5 picture. So it represents 25. 30 we need to draw 6 picture. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. If we add 5 times 6, 6 times 5, then it will be 30. Okay. So next is 20. Okay. So next is 20. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 20. So by seeing this chart, if table is not given, so by seeing this one, you can give the answer. One picture equal to 5 students. So here, how many picture? 4 picture. 5 for the 20 students. So anyone can fill the answer without seeing the data. Okay. It is the main thing in pictograph. And very easy thing. Next one, bar graph. Next one is bar graph. Okay. So bar graph. So how to draw bar graph? To represent bar graph, we need two axes, two perpendicular axes. So if we draw two perpendicular line, this total line is, this line is called x axis, and this line is called y axis. Okay. So in higher class you will learn about it. So here, so x-axis can be is represented by x prime, and y prime. Okay, it's called first quadrant. It is second quadrant. It is third. So no need to learn about all of this. You will learn it in next class. In this class, we take the first quadrant. That means two axes, OX and OY. So here we no need these three parts. So we need to draw OX and OY. OX, it is called X axis, and it is called Y axis. Okay. So now if you memorize only this thing, then it is enough for class 5, and this value is always 90 degree perpendicular axis. So you need this concept to draw a bar graph. Okay. So here first we draw. Okay. Another thing, your graph paper is given. The bar graph is draw in a graph paper. So you already got these types of graph paper. These types of divisions are given. These types of divisions are given in your bar graph, in your graph paper. So this type of paper is given. So it is the measure of 1 square, 2 small square, 3, and all are small square. So these types of bar graph is given to you when you are drawing bar graph. Okay, in higher class also. But now I am drawing this by only by only draw the bigger line, because otherwise it is difficult to represent. Okay. Okay. Oh, another thing, I forget to tell. The thing is, so how to take the picture of pictograph? So if we take one picture equal to 4 students, for one picture equal to 4 students, so 15, that means how many picture we need? So we cannot define 15 by this bar graph. We can define in this way. So 5, 5, 12, 12 are 5, 12 and 5, 5, 5, 10 plus of 4 plus 4 plus 4. So now it is 12, we need plus 3. So if we divide this circle into three parts, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 3 parts. So in next picture, you need to draw in this way. In this way. Okay, in this way. Because here the total we not take that, we will not take the total value. We take value 3. So you need to draw in this way. 3. That means 3 parts out of 4 parts. So if we divide the picture into 4 equal parts, so we need to take 3 parts. So it is some difficult. So first you take the value, take this of this picture in such way, then all are multiple of this picture. If we take one picture equal to 5, 5 is a multiple of 12, 20 is a multiple of 5, 15 is also multiple of 5, 25 is also multiple of 5, 30 is also multiple of 5. So we take here in such way such that all value are the multiple of this value. Okay, keep in your mind, very important thing. Okay, let's come back there. So here I draw some one bar graph. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this type of page you get to draw bar graph. Okay. Okay. So now we need to draw bar graph. So what is the procedure? First we take two rectangular axes. One is OX. So if we take this one, So this one OX and this one OY. So it is Y, it is X, it is O. Okay, so we start from here. Okay, first thing this one. Now here one division, two division, three division, four division, five division, six division are given. So all 12, if we take one division equal to one, then all value is not come in this figure. Okay. Or one thing you can do, you can change the axis also. So if I take here this one OX and this one OY, then I think it look better. O, this Y, this X, okay, it is O. Okay, so these types of you need to draw in this way. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divisions are there. Okay, so if we take, first we take the values here, the days along x axis days and along y axis number of students. Number of student. Okay. So we take along x axis days and along y axis number of students. So solution. So here let we take the days along x axis and number of student along y axis. Okay, or you can write in this way: x axis represent the days and y axis represent the number of students. Now here we need to choose one scale. So if we draw in bar graph, we need to choose one scale. So this division represent how much? So this much length define how much student. So we will take here one division, one small division equal to 5 students. And one more thing, we will the length of the each bar. So these types of column is called bar. Okay, these types of column is called bar. So length of each bar is equal. Keep it is the condition. Length of each bar is equal. Second condition, distance between two bar is equal. So you need to keep in your mind the length of the bars are equal, and two number point distance between any two bar, distance between any two bar is equal. Okay, so no need to write these things. These are the point. Now we take one small division equal to 5 students. So first one 20. 20, that means, here we can write the value in this way. It is 5. So it represents 10. Next 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35, 35. So one small division represents 5. So two small division 10, then 15, then 20 in this way. So first value is 20. So up to this, up the height of the bar. So these types of columns are called bar. So height of the first bar is 20. So if I draw the birds from here, so 20, it is 20. So first bird, length of the first bird is 20, and you can write the bird in this way so that your bird like looks good. Okay, this is the first bird. So it represents the number of students who attend the school on Monday. So it is for Monday. Okay. Next 15. So next bar, distance between two bar, we take 1 unit. First is 2, there is no problem. First you take 1 or 2, no problem. But distance between two bar is okay. First I draw, after that I will explain. So next is 15. So 5, 10, 15. So up to this. So this bar is for Tuesday. Tuesday. So you can, okay. So Tuesday. And for Thursday, the value is 25. So 25, 25, up to this. So it is for Thursday, Thursday. So we need more. Thursday. Next is Friday, Friday. In Friday, there are 30 students, so 30, this value. So the length of the bar is 30. And in Saturday, the length is 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is the bar graph. This is the required bar graph. Okay, in this way, days and along y-axis. So it is bar graph. Okay. So if I draw one figure without the graph lines, then you will understood properly. Okay. So now the length of the bar, that means this much, is equal, each and every bar's length is 1 unit, 1 unit, and the distance between two bar also same 1 unit. Okay. So if I draw the figure without the lines, then it will be look good. Okay. So if the instruction is draw the bar in bar graph, then you need this concept. If you can, if you will draw in a white page, then how to draw the bar? Okay, I will explain now. So bar graph. So first we take the along. We need to write this one. So we need to draw two rectangular axis. One is OX. It is O. It is X. X-axis, and another is OY, Y-axis. Along X-axis we take the days. Along Y-axis we take number of students, number of students. So try to take the values in along Y-axis. Here number of students are the numerical value. So try to take the numerical value along Y-axis. So we divide it. We take the scale in this way: 5, then in same length 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30, and after some we draw the bar for Monday. So Monday. So in Monday the value is up to 20. So it is 20, or you can set the bar by pencil. Okay, so 20. For Tuesday, What is the value? 15. So 15 where? Here. So up to this. So it is the bar for Tuesday. Next 25. So 25 up to here. So it is 25. Next verse, it is for Thursday. Thursday. Next is 30. So 30 up to this. 30. Next is 20. So 20 up to this. It is Friday. Friday. It is Saturday. Okay. These types of figure came when you will draw the bar graph. And in graph paper, this types of line is drawn. Okay. This type of line is drawn. 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. This types of line is drawn in your graph paper. So it is the procedure. Okay. Now, if the question is if the question is one bar graph is given, you need to answer how many students attend the school on Tuesday. So this value is not given, only bar graph is given. The problem is converse. Now bar graph is given, you need to answer the question. What is the question? One number question is how many students present on Tuesday. So by seeing the bar graph, so Tuesday that means up to this much, and this value is equivalent to 15. The length of this bar is 15. So 15 students attended the school on Tuesday. So by this way you can answer the question when bar graph is given. Similar for pictograph, if pictograph is given and the key is given, key that means one figure equal to 5 students. So if key is given, these types of key is given, number of days, days, and here pictograph. If somewhere given 1 to 2 in particular day is Wednesday, the number of students given in pictograph, and one pictograph is equal to 6 students. Then how many students present on Wednesday? So 6 plus 6, that means 12. So it is the converse of these problems. When pictograph or bar graph is given and you need to answer some question. So in this way you can answer the question. So for today up to this, bye bye everyone.